Hi, it's Paul here, Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway. It is June 18th. So let's see what's going on the last couple of days in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Let me see. Days on the market. Okay, so today, the lowest priced $70,000 townhome, one story. Built in 66, one bedroom, one bath. Okay. I see. That's what it used to be, I guess. The spa. That price, I think it's fairly nice. Doesn't have bars on the windows, and that's a good thing. It's over on Richmar and Las Vegas Boulevard. Let's make this easier to read. There we go. Alright, so that was number one. I mean, lowest priced, I should say. Okay, highest priced is house over on Rice Lane, 1274950, 4,300 square feet. Nice aerial shot. What's that? Some kind of a beautiful backyard. Oh, basketball court. Okay. Sure wouldn't know all that stuff was there looking at the front. Pretty nice house. A lot of furniture in that one room. Oasis, man, a lot of stuff to play with in their yard. Cool. Alright. Well, where is it? Summerlin. Okay. Then, yesterday, a little condo over on Jeffries. Okay. Front view. Not much of anything there. $63,000, one bedroom, one bath. Jeffries is right over Tropicana and Eastern there. Okay. And let's go. To this one on Coralwood, 2.25 million, 4,600 square feet, contemporary, pool, spa, outdoor area, all looking nice. Huh. Pretty cool. A charger for their BMW. Okay. Alright. And then where is Coralwood? Town center. Okay. Summerlin area. Alright. So that's that. Let's go into here. And we have 516 properties on the market. I mean, under contract. Sold 338 last few days. Today's the 18th. So the lowest priced one today was $92,999, 828 square feet. Huh, got a garage. That was pretty nice. A little condo. Charleston and Christie. Alright. Not too shabby. See what else closed today. Highest priced one. We have 3.5 million. Pool on the golf course. 2 pictures. 13. Okay. How about that? Okay. That was today. What happened yesterday? 73,000 for a condo around Bonanza. It's clean. Nice. 17th. And 1.895. Oh, look at that. Interesting, all these contemporary houses. Okay, well, I think that is about it. We like to look at pool homes in the last couple of days to see what's going on. Single family with a pool, 72. It's going up a little bit. That's good to see. Okay. We checked all these. What did we come up with here? 185 a square, 2,500 square foot on a large lot for 460. And we have 186 to 21 square feet, 15,000 square foot lot for 402. Well, that's the way it's looking today. So, I guess I'll talk to you in the morning or tomorrow sometime. And everybody have a wonderful day. Bye.